Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easy for make brochure in Canva. So it's just simple. You can open your Canva apps and then you can search for brochure templates on search bar like this. Search for brochure. But you can also make it without templates, but it takes more time, I think. Yes, takes more time. So there are many templates here. You can choose template that you like. For example, okay, just change the text, just change the images, just change the element, and then you can click download. It's very simple. That is how to make easy brochure in Canva. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.